Hi guys, currently it is like 2:30 p.m. This is a hurricane right now. It is getting stronger. I feel like this is still the calm before the storm. Trees are already falling in our neighborhood. Right now, it's the beginning. Everything is very windy. The scary part is that we are still not even under Hurricane Ian. We are still like it's still coming to us, and we are actually about 26-30 miles away from the Tampa area, a little farther from the coast. So it's gonna get pretty bad here tonight. I have a feeling it is. As you can see, the wind is stronger and stronger. Very strong actually. Alright guys, as you can see, it's getting very windy right now. It's like the calm before the storm, and it's not pretty calm. It's not pretty calm right now.